This is how to sign up to
Alright, nice guys.
Robabunkai
So
Trading Terminal.
when you go on the website, right guys, and you're new to it, right? You can read all this if you want. You see me? So the Telegram group, I can click this to join the Telegram group, my WhatsApp number, my Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, you know. Also you can advertise on our website, guys. So when you advertise on on our website, you're going to see anything that you want to promote. It will be right here, right here. So that's the first thing people will see, right? Um, yeah. So for instance, you know, right? You're gonna see the guide. It's gonna tell you basically when you start for free, and then yep. All right, I'm log out. Log out. You have to create. You have to new year create a free account. Um, create a free account right here, guys. You see me? You just click that, and you can use like any email or password they already have, or you can create a fake one and actually put it in your notes, so you always need it. You see me? So for me, I already have an account, you know. So put in my information, now skip this, and we sign in, right? Now, when I reach on the bot like this now, guys, it will ask you, you're gonna say secure Deriv Connect, right? All you need to do if you're going to practice a demo, you click demo account. If you're practice a real, click real account. So for instance, I want to click my real account, right? I'm gonna set some booms. You click it, it will redirect to Deriv. When you new to your bot, guys, you'll see something say allow access. You're gonna click allow access and it will redirect back to the bot. And you're gonna see your balance and everything. You see me? That's how it works, guys. You see me? Simple as that. Same thing for the demo. Just click it and everything will work with for work. You see me? Yeah. And then I know say I have the strategy demands thing. The scalper X, guys, as me telling you, a lot of people don't want something there. So you see, if you don't want do the challenge, you can just buy the strategy. You see the signals to me here. You see much signals is that go yo, Jano, yo. Look there. You see me? And these are day trading signals, plus you have the scalper 1 minute, and you know day trading give more money. You see me? Plus if you have a laptop, guys, when you can literally connect with the MT5 when you download it, where it is this, you download it on a computer, you download MT5 terminal on your laptop as well, you connect it, which I'm gonna show now. And when you connect it now, guys, and just go back to this, and you set a setting so you can set the risk per trade, you know, and you can set the amount of positions you want it up if you're gonna use auto or so. If you want to say, alright, that's if I lose 100, I make it stop for the whole trade, whole session for you there and thing. You can set all of those things, guys. You can use liquidity sweep. So when this do detect liquidity sweep, when it gone now, it tell you when to enter the trade. So this is better too. You see me? Um, you can see the signal right here. So guys, when I connect the bot to the bot to the MT5 and plus the auto execute. So if the signal there, so and you have the auto execute on, basically it will execute the trade for you automatically to the MT5 and set a take profit and everything. So this strategy is going for $25, guys, for the month. So if you don't want 2 months, and you can pay $50. If you don't want 4 months, you know, just $100, just so it go. You see me? So these are the only thing one you can get, one you can buy. Otherwise, me don't want no money from nothing else. Everything else free. Everything is perfect. Ramping shop and I know, so I love that. That I best right now. That I best is been did a trade from morning too and thing. So we just a rinse and repeat, guys. So that's all on access the bot, guys. Very simple. You see me? And for the people them we want deposit, when I deposit the money with Deriv, make sure so the money transfer from the US wallet to the options wallet. That's how you'll see it, not the bot.